Well, that works. I need you to sit up here, okay? So what we're going to do is, in order to create the interactive map, you will be watching a video, just to recap on what you learned. Maybe if you have a piece of paper, you can just like jot down the organs. Then you will be given a piece of paper. It's like an outline of human body, and you will draw. You will draw the organs. You don't have to be a perfect artist. I'm terrible at drawing. But do you guys remember the Makey Makey?
Yeah, Makey.
From last year?
Oh,
yeah. We will be using this to make the interactive map come to life. And the way we do that is I'm going to be asking some people to record their voice as a sound file that when you touch like a organ, a body part on this piece of paper, it plays what the name of the organ is and their function. Like, let's pretend we draw a heart, and I ask Robert to be one of the recorders, so he's going to record the heart. The heart is the organ that pumps blood and oxygen throughout the body. And then later on, I'll show you guys how to play with the Makey Makey. But right now, we're just going to watch a little video. A short video, actually. Now, does anyone have any questions right now? Yes.
Is there a brain pop video?
No, it's not brain pop. I didn't find it on the brain pop. It's O.
What do you want?
Alright. This is only going to be like 3 minutes long, okay?
Can only be like 80.
Our human body is a complex machine. Many parts and systems work together to carry out our body functions. From head to toe, the human body can be divided into head, neck, middle part, 2 arms, and 2 legs. The head contains eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Let's study the structure of the human body in detail. Our human body is made up of billions of tiny building blocks called cells. We cannot see the cells with naked eyes. Scientists use powerful microscopes to see or photograph the cells. Our body contains hundreds of different cells that do different jobs. Cells of the same type usually group together to form a tissue. Different types of tissues group together into larger body parts called organs.
I'm gonna look back in
Our body organs. Brain. Our brain controls our each and every activity. It is because of our brain that we can read, write, learn new things, understand emotions, and feel hot or cold. Our brain is very delicate and sensitive. That is why it is covered by a bony skull, which protects it from injury. Brain sends to and receives signals from our body and guides us what to do in a situation. It works like a computer and can store a lot of information, which we call memory. Do you know human brain is 75% water? The brain grows quickest till the age of 5. Lungs. Lungs are one of the largest organs in our body. We have 2 lungs, the right lung and left lung. The left lung is a bit smaller than the right one because it has to make room for our heart to fit in our chest. We use our lungs to breathe in and out. Air is breathed in through the nose or mouth and pulled down into the lungs through the windpipe. The windpipe is located next to the food pipe. Lungs supply our body with oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. We breathe in and out around 22,000 times per day. We're all born with pink lungs, but the color of our lungs darkens with time as we breathe in the polluted air. Kidney. We have two kidneys, the left and right one. They're shaped like kidney beans and are found just under our ribs. The kidneys clean our blood. They filter the blood and remove waste and excess water. They also keep minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients from getting lost in the body. The kidneys produce urine and pass it down into the bladder. Our kidneys filter about 1.3 liters of blood every minute. Heart. The heart is one of the most important and powerful organs in our body. It sits in the middle of the chest, between the lungs. It is well protected all around by the rib cage. Our heart pumps the oxygen-rich blood to our whole body. It also receives the oxygen-deficient blood from the body and sends it to the lungs. We can feel and hear our heartbeat. Our heartbeat gets faster when we run. A human being's heart is about the size of that human being's fist. A woman's heart beats faster than that of a man. In one day, our heart beats about 100,000 times. Skin. Skin is the waterproof covering of our body. It is the largest organ of our body. Our skin has 3 layers. The upper layer of skin is covered with tiny hairs. Different people can have different skin colors. The skin protects our internal body organs, bones, and muscles. It allows us to sweat and helps to maintain a constant body temperature. Eyes. We have 2 eyes. Our eyes help us to see the things around us. Eyes also help us to identify different colors and analyze the depth.
So you guys get the gist of it, right?
That was way
We have
longer.
organs that help us, and I hope that this helped you review of the organs you know. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a piece of paper with an outline of a human body. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be drawing these organs.
That's a lot.
Okay. You don't. Guys, you're easy. Guys, please hold on. You don't have to be a perfect artist because I am not. So the main point is that you draw some. You draw some organs that we can identify. See, like I said, this looks more like a gingerbread man than it does like a person. However, the most important thing in order for the Makey Makey to work is that when you draw the organ, so let's pretend I'm drawing a brain. That looks like a muffin, but whatever. You kind of color it in so that the lead is seen and shown because the Makey Makey actually responds to the lead from our pencil. And when we do that, you're going to draw a line, a really thick line. You guys remember from last year that when we did this,
It wasn't last year, it was this year.
or this year, it responded to thick lines. And then from that, you're just going to label bugs to help you remember what the line was for, okay?
No, we have to first name.
So, oh wait, it's not the bugs, that's a brain, I'm sorry.
It's okay, man. You're tired.
You
Yeah.
need to cut into your bone.
I'm glad someone caught me because If our lungs were in our head, then
We would be stupid.
That'd be creepy.
That'd be awesome.
Oh, that'd be creepy, man.
Huh.
alright, so you guys draw up to 5 organs. And
You'd hear how
I'm gonna call up
24/7.
people who would like to do a voice recording of each organ. You don't have to draw us.
For me?
You don't have to draw us, you can draw whatever you want. Just make sure that you label it and this okay. No, I can't draw either. Do you see that?
Dude, for the brain, I use this okay.
I'm gonna draw a pebble. That's his brain.
The main point of this is that we are able to identify where the organ is. So like Wiley helped me correct that the organ in our head is not our lungs, it's actually our brain. Make sure it connects all the way up to a piece of paper. Who wants to help record first? Okay. I will do Alexa first.
This man, that's not flour. That is it's not, it's not.
Hey, don't be mean to
But-
Mr. Ian.
Yeah, I'm a good girl.
You are going to or do you want to draw your own?
I like it. It's really
Okay,
cool.
you're gonna have to participate.
No, I'm not for you.
Okay, help Wiley, okay?
Why is it blinking? Why is it blinking?
Which one do you want to draw first?
Well, you know, I don't know.
Four.
It's okay.
You want to do the heart?
I'm not going to draw. You're going to draw.
Do Alexa.
Punk's going in.
Here.
How do you do that?
Bigger than that.
You really
And
think
you got to make it illegal.
We're gonna say this in a nice, clear voice. Heart
Your brain has lots
pumps
of
oxygen,
folds.
blood
Folds.
through our body.
That.
You know what makes the brain?
You know everything about my body?
That brain. Yes, go all the
So
way out.
after you
No,
start,
I told you I go all the way out.
Here.
okay?
Yes, flip on.
Make a few more wiggles.
It can has to flip on.
Now you got to make a line from the brain to the edge of the paper.
No, flip, like he has to
No,
flip
not
on.
down. See how she did it?
Way back.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, also.
There's the.
Why'd you call me Sunny? That's a little.
So go from here to the edge of the paper. Can you do that?
I'm serious. Darren, look at that.
Hold it too.
So, okay,
Here we go.
you're gonna,
Sean needs a picture.
Sean needs,
Yeah, you say
no, you're gonna be helping Wiley.
What?
No,
Yeah.
actually. Here,
What happened with what?
what just happened?
I don't know. He messed it up, you know.
Is this okay, ma'am?
I need to write brain. Brain.
Fix
You're
it.
gonna be drawing your own body.
Yeah.
I don't want another one. But you're gonna have to do it. Okay, Sean?
Good. Now pick another
There
one.
you go. Is that this enough? Long enough?
Hard.
Get it up.
Alright, go ahead, Mr. Carter. Sean, get a pencil. That's good?
There you
Sean,
go.
go get a pencil.
It's on your stomach.
Alright, Wiley, your turn. You ready to start?
Ow!
It has to be implant.
What are you gonna say?
You just gotta do it up here. A little bit smaller than that.
Like here.
You doing that? That's 8 of them in mine.
Now draw another line out here.
Until the age of 5.
I think that's thick enough.
Okay? When I say go,
Darker, darker, darker. All the way out to the
The
edge.
brain,
Just see yours, baby.
I actually done that once.
Did it wait?
No, I mean not with this. I never knew about this until now.
I tried
It's got to
I shaded the paper and I'll start erasing it and do it again.
alright.
No, I know.
Another person who wants to record.
One paper and then you
No.
pick one you like.
She was begging. She was begging. Good boy. She had her. She said,
No one wants to
Nicholas!
What?
Come on, we're gonna
What?
have
Oh,
No, your hair's rough.
Nicholas!
I'm coming.
I have felt it.
Alright, so people already did the brain and the heart.
Yeah, do
What do you
another
want to do?
I don't know.
Here's my hair.
Your hair is.
Alright,
drawing.
That's because I. It's mostly because I wash my hair every day.
No, it's not. It's probably mostly just because of the way you were born.
Set.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
Thank
My hair's
you.
really soft.
Beautiful.
It's
You
baby.
can just do an arrow pointing to like the arm or the leg to just get.
It's
Covers and protects the skin.
What? No, let's do this.
Skin
Oh,
covers
this
and
one.
protects the
What you got going on?
Guys, can you stop saying that phrase? What does it mean?
Nice place. Nice.
What
Is
does
it?
it mean when I say what you got going on?
It's one of the hair.
When I say going green,
The comb.
I want to do it all the way up.
What you got going on? What's going on with you?
he's looking at my shirt.
How do you go bed?
alright, let's see.
Let's do an arrow pointing from the leg.
Sean, come up here.
And
They're gonna record one.
What does that mean?
This is look.
This is
We need to break.
D-U.
What else do you want?
I want to know what that means. You don't, where it says D-U-L-O.
on the whiteboard thing?
Yeah,
Put them on the same.
you don't see.
I got like
So,
so different.
what you say?
That's why I got this.
Are those what?
You can't miss it.
I'm making what?
What?
Make kitty mean. What's that?
When I say
So it's wrong.
So resistant band?
Can I tell you what?
Always draw a line. That's all you do.
Resistant bands are awesome. You can stuff them, you can pull them around the tree and hook them up to the plant, drive a mile, and still be there.
Okay, what do you want to do next, Cody?
You done that once?
No.
Longus?
You gonna do it?
No.
Ears? Okay, draw some ears, or point to them at least. Okay, do you want to draw it on yourself? Yeah, draw it on your
We are so tons of people use them on
Okay, that's fine.
TV.
Okay, last person. Kellen, come out.
What's ears look like that?
So
Yeah.
You know
what I'm
worms
doing?
coming out of those.
yes. Why aren't you?
Okay, Ariel. Okay, for those who
Get Cody.
rejected, you're probably gonna have to come up here with your picture to use it as an example.
Go for it. Go record it.
No.
Try it.
I just need one more person. Oh my
You don't want to go.
You said I'll do it.
Ryan, oh, Kellen. Kellen, this will be fine.
Arrow.
Go on, Kevin.
Robert Calvin.
Thanks for taking it for me.
Rapping.
Read what the kidneys say.
Break a leg.
So, what's practice?
Why are you?
Riley, don't you come out?
Give me a massage.
Heads off.
It tastes delicious. Slap in the face.
Okay, ears good. What next?
Delicious.
Lines. Where do the lungs? Not all the way down there. They go next to the heart.
Do I have to do the
Yeah,
eyes?
do one there.
I did my skin, my heart, and then my kid.
Darker.
That's where it goes.
Darker.
Actually, if you make it off a family guy,
Well, you gotta make sure it goes all the way to the edge like mine.
Kidneys.
I think if someone had a bite disease and the height was external.
Alright.
You know what a kidney stone is?
That means Antenna knows when it's
Alright,
inside
guys.
the external. When it's
Can I have 5 for just a sec?
Amy. A kidney is like that. Like I
Alright, guys.
You gotta do this.
Okay. So this is what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to look at your picture. I'd like you to look at your picture and choose 5 choose four of the organs. Label them next to the name. Cody. Label them next to the name. Up, down, left, or right. Each the four organs you choose, you label up, down, left, or right. This will help with the Makey Makey and the big ones. So make sure that
Kidneys are up here. I know it says knee in it.
Kids, are you not?
let me show you. Can I show?
Beautiful.
Make sure that.
What do you say?
Bill Gates don't say the Gates. I need to point that out.
Just like this.
How would I have a
Wiley.
What you doing? This ain't no show.
I am done.
This is how it should be like.
Huh? No, you let down like some show.
Bowing.
And then you got some shit going on.
Kidneys are going to be right here. Now can you draw that curved little beam?
Good. Good job. Okay, Brian, let's see how.
I don't want to use it.
No, that's an excellent picture.
Yeah,
One thing I do want to mention is that this should connect a little more closer. Because remember that the way that we're going to connect this is that X scenario.
That's all I'm putting.
My suggestion is maybe lower the I don't know.
You need to get a pencil left.
Try and take one down. Careful.
You only got one eye.
Oh, I have two more.
Beautiful.
If you also want, if you have 5 organs, you can choose one of them and write space. So up, down, left, right, and space.
How you spell kidney? I got it. How do you spell failure? How you spell failure?
There you go. Voila.
How you doing, sir?
You make tab.
Voila.
Why you think?
Hey, Miss Dina. How do you spell failure?
I'm sorry?
Failure.
Failure?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, kidney failure for the kidney.
No. I think kidney's fine. Kidney's, yeah, kidney's
Wait,
That's a good model for
Kidney failure. This guy,
Shake it.
he's dead.
Well, you're saying, they will phone. Stand up.
Yeah. You can't pull those up.
Oh, sorry, we ratted you
I
out.
want to see any of the blue.
Miss Eno.
I want to see
Miss Eno.
Yes.
Wait, say no. Picture.
I don't think anyone does it this
Look at my picture.
What you got going on, bud?
Miss model. Tell you about it.
Why are you doing like a wardrobe change last period?
Always do it.
Yeah, he does. True. That's what it's
You should for the class to do that.
I can understand what you're saying, Cody. Yeah.
I don't understand what they mean by but I understand now. For those clubs.
All right.
No, you didn't
Guys, let's go ahead and settle down and refocus our attention on our final product.
I can't stop you every time.
You think?
Not touch my ear.
Guys, okay. So this is called a sound plan, right? The sound plan the sound plan is an actual program that helps you program whatever you want to the keyboard keys. And like you've seen from the Makey Makey from a while ago, is that we have the up, down, left, and right arrow keys with the space bar and the click bar. And we're going to connect some of your pictures to the sound plate. Who wants to use the first picture? Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna choose Cody first, and then Wyatt. If you guys want, come up here so we can all see what's going on. Okay? So can Cody sit here for that? Guys, if you want to look what if you want to see what's going on, I suggest you all.
Because that's how Makey Makey works. Yeah. Do you see how it's looking? It goes from the organ all the way to the edge of your paper. It's going to be a big seal. Pull those up, Deshaun. Thank you. Can you tighten your belt? No.
He ain't got no bill.
Hey, you don't know. I see it. You need to tighten that belt. You can tighten that belt. I tightened it all like that. Where's your picture, Deshaun? Let me see.
Ain't trying to.
Oh, you need to be doing something. Sit down.
Okay.
Get out.
So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Get up. Get up.
Yeah, you two, your lines need to be.
Hold on.
Get out.
Alright, so if you guys look at the board right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open SoundPlan.
Who's this right here?
Robert.
Robert, what are you doing?
He just drew an eyeball.
Okay.
Alright, so we have the SoundPlan,
You're going to be doing
and
something.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to open
Press your
it.
seat. Put your hands in your jacket.
I look like you.
Alright, and we're going to do the heart.
So sit in your seat. You need to sit in a seat. Okay?
Okay. That's
Bro.
Go sit over here over your seat.
Oh, God.
So the heart is going to be the up arrow. What else? So you guys see that? All I did was I dragged and dropped it to the heart. What else? What do you want to be to your side? To the left.
Oh, just stop.
It's candy.
You got two.
Did you say candy?
I said
Yes, you
candy.
did.
The skin for what? For your down? Alright, so the skin is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on the skin, click it to the sound plant.
Wow.
Mr. Ian, watch.
Keep going to no.
I'm
watching.
Copy Mr. Ian.
Copy and paste it.
Alright, the skin, try it again. Skin is going to go in the down. So you guys see here, heart is up, skin is down. What about for left? What do you guys want for left? Like for the left arrow key, which body part? Kidney for the left. Is the kidney usually on the left side or on the right?
Yeah.
There's eyes on the right.
Oh, kidneys, cool. So for the right,
Glasses is brain, Mr. Ian.
brain, okay.
That's mine. Nice.
Now we make one.
Alright, and then what's the last one?
That's it.
That is the one.
Lungs.
That's really not interesting that he has some
Okay, so we're gonna do lungs as a space bar. Alright, now let's go ahead and connect all of these. We have the up arrow key, which is the heart.
It's not connected. Please join.
What else?
Ooh, you better be
We
careful.
have the space bar, which is connected to lungs, so connect this to lungs. Yeah, this is called an alligator.
Hey, you go top.
Okay. You guys want to help?
You can help.
Guys, go ahead and connect. Sorry. This is the
The white one.
the right. The right one.
Brain is connected. It's
And then the heart.
you know?
Why are you touching her shoe?
Yeah, just
I like touching her shoe. She's trying to keep my face.
No, because they got my shoe.
You need to follow the flow.
And then
I need a face.
and you have the ears.
Pencil right now.
Alright.
It's easy.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
What?
You're not.
Stop.
Alright, boys and girls, come up here. Who did not,
Did it scan?
What's that one?
Ooh, see, you hook up yet or
put
no?
it down?
It is right now.
Alright, Robert, come up here.
Byron and yours
Robert.
going on.
It's still fun.
What you got going on, bro?
First, you're gonna touch this.
Where?
Put on your life. Just kidding.
Yeah!
Yay! Alright,
Wiley.
let's see if this works. Touch the skin. No. You're going to touch this with one hand, and with the other hand, you're going to touch the skin. Make sure. Let's see if you do that.
There's something in here. Okay.
The lungs help you breathe in oxygen.
Okay, great. So I want you to touch this with one hand and then touch the lungs with the other hand. So touch this with one hand.
Take your other hand.
Okay, touch this. No. You're going to touch this with one hand.
Take this one hand. Now, keep this here. Take your other hand and touch the lungs.
Just touch it once. Okay, touch it.
There's like some
Slowly.
autumn tuning.
Just once, like, fuck. Oh my god.
Okay.
The lungs help you breathe in oxygen.
So that's the shot. Okay, Robert, come up here.
We're gonna auto tune
Awesome.
too.
Thank you, Coach. You're welcome. Come up here.
Okay, great.
Yeah, hold on. Come up here. You're going to sit down. Touch this. Hold this with one hand. Hold this with one hand. And really quickly, you're going to press on. You're going to press onto the skin. You're going to touch the heart. Touch right there. Okay, touch the brain.
Take a deep breath.
We need to use another picture. Okay, mine. All right, okay, thank you, Robert. You can, you're going to help me, okay? Okay.
Got mine.
Go ahead and do that.
How's that?
Guys, you want to help me connect?
I don't know what we're playing.
Right there.
And mine's are in different places.
That's okay.
Everybody.
Oh, this is
I'm gonna be scared of shot.
Everything's lining up now.
Shot.
Brain is the brain.
Yeah.
No, that's not
Now-
good.
No. Well, like, we have to connect, make sure that it connects.
Like that.
So left
Just
is
like
the
that.
kidneys. The skin is the down arrow, which is the left.
Yeah. I didn't know I could have it. See, seriously?
Okay.
Yeah,
Go
you gotta
right,
do that.
go ahead.
Hey, everybody, it is their edge.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna touch one of them, okay? Wiley, touch, the skin. You have to hold it, alligator. What the hell? Well, it's the skin. Maybe if we make this a little quieter. Okay, let's see. Ibn, come up. Thank you, Ibn. Ibn, come up. Everyone's gonna get a chance to try it. Ibn.
Big good boy.
Oh.
Big man, Ibn.
Big man.
Alright.
Right.
Go ahead and try something else. No! Okay, one more time. What's that? Yeah, you gotta hold that one. Or maybe touch these.
The kidney removes waste and filters blood.
Good. Okay, try something else.
The lungs help you breathe in oxygen.
That's better than
Try the brain.
The brain, stores memory that is quickest until season 4.
You gotta make sure you look for
Oxygen blood through the body.
My ears.
Cool, right? Alright, anyone else want to try? Did they get to try?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I think you want to try. I think you want to try. Come on, you're going to try. No, come on. Go ahead. No,
The kidney removes waste and filters blood.
Wiley, what are you doing up there?
Alright guys, at this time, let's go ahead and clean up. The bell is about to ring. You can recycle them. Give them to me.
Everyone.
Through another week, the first week of Advent. Thank you again, everybody, for all of your focus this week,
Alexa.
for your good behavior and for listening to directions. We do hope you have a wonderful weekend. I do wish to wish Paula Williams a happy birthday over this weekend because it's her birthday.
Ooh.
Don't touch it.
We'll record it.
Birthday
Why is she recording?
today. And reminder, elementary school students,
Been 30,
want to come to
38
class next Friday, I need $2. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and thank you so much. 6th graders, 8th graders, 5th graders, you're all testing next week. Thank you, at some point next week. Thank you.
So you want to say something? Yeah. What?
Guys, please put the desk back properly. I will leave it so the desks are back properly. Do you guys hear what I'm saying? Put the desk back properly.
Hello, Mr.
Hood off, Deshaun.
The shop, we're not playing Will Red Riding Hood. Will Red Rat, son.
Hey, that's for me. You know,
Good. I gotta get out of here.
Are you saying?
I hate you. I hate you.
scoot over.
I will when I go back. I gotta get
It's
away.
fine, honey. Just leave it.
Can someone erase the board?
I will.
Has that desire not to do it?
You want to see what's going to be inside the boat? I'm putting boat. This guy. Oh, let's go.
You're really not
The chopstick?
I need something here.
Mr. Edgar,